The new DJI RS5 isn't just a refresh of the RS4. It's a smarter, more capable gimbal designed for modern solo creators and small crews. So let's dive in and see what's changed. Both the RS4 and RS5 support a 6.6 pound payload and weigh roughly the same, so you're getting the same compact, travel-friendly form factor. But the real upgrades with the RS5 are in performance and intelligence. RS4 uses DJI's 4th gen stabilization, which is already solid, but the 5th gen RS stabilization algorithm on the RS5 delivers smoother footage during fast movement, walking shots, and vertical filming. A new Z-axis indicator gives real-time feedback to help you fine-tune your footsteps for cleaner, more professional results. This is one of the biggest differences. RS4 supports basic people tracking with the intelligent tracking module, but the RS5 introduces the enhanced intelligent tracking module, allowing you to select people, vehicle, pets, or virtually any subject directly from your touchscreen. Tracking works up to about 10 meters or almost 33 feet. You can intelligently reacquire subjects if they leave the frame. This is ideal for orbit shots, backward tracking, or hands-free solo filming. RS5 also adds an electronic briefcase handle, giving you direct gimbal and camera control from the handle itself, so it's perfect for low-angle or one-handed shots. And charging is much faster too, going from 2.5 hours with the RS4 to a full charge with the RS5 in just 1 hour. You also get up to 14 hours of runtime with the RS5 or 30 hours with the optional high-capacity BG70 battery grip. With 3rd gen native vertical shooting, RS5 switches orientations in seconds with no rebalancing required. If you're upgrading from the RS4, the RS5 delivers smarter tracking, better stabilization, faster charging, and more creative control, all in the same lightweight package. So if you'd like one yourself, click in the description in the link below, and thanks for watching.